Hi, welcome to Flying Fish Yoga. Today's sari is a very short practice which concentrates on your whole body mobility. Donkey kick, fire hydrant, thread the needle, and low lunge. These few moves gonna help your whole body to have better mobility. To start, come into the tabletop. Tuck the tailbone under and lift your chest off the floor. Make sure your chest never comes closer. Hold your body in this position and without moving your lower back, kick your right leg up and squeeze your buttocks. Bring the leg into the starting position. Without turning your pelvis, lift your right knee. Squeeze your tummy in. Again, flex the toes and kick the leg up. Bring it back and again. Do it for 10 reps. Change side. Squeeze the tummy in. Kick the leg up. Bring it to the starting point and kick the knee. Leg and knee. Each move is 10 times, which in total you do 20 moves on each side and you go for the next move. Next moves which concentrates on the upper body, on your upper back, shoulder and your arms is thread the needle. Again, squeeze your tummy in. Lift your right hand up without putting your head or your shoulder on the floor. Cross your right arms under your underarm and come back again. Open up your hands and twist from your torso. Come back. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back to a starting pose. Do it for 10 times and change side. Left arms up. Cross the left arms under the right underarm. Do not place your shoulder or your head on the floor. Go back again. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Do it for 10 times. After 10 times, we go for the ankle mobility. For the ankle mobility, place the right leg in front in 90 degrees. Relax your toes and push your hip forward. It's totally okay to knee goes over the toes. Place your hands on top of your knees, tuck your toes, and lift your left knee off the floor. If you can, straighten the leg without lifting your hip. Place it down. Come back to the starting point. Again, push the hip down. Lift the left knee off the floor. Push the heel back. And if you can, straighten the leg without lifting your hip. Knee on the floor. Come back. Do it for 10. And down. And after 10 times, change side. Bring the left leg in front. Push the hip forward. Knee off the floor. Place it down. Again. Come up. Go forward. Right knee off the floor and push the right heel back. Again. Come up and go down. Do it for 10 times. And then These movements are good for your ankles, hips, and upper body. And if you want to have flexibility in your hamstrings and your calf, you can check my video on hamstring flexibility, which I have all the movements for the hamstring. Have a good day.